tuloy na po bang mawala ang Binance? Based on the people I've been asking, talagang sobrang tahimik. Ang sabi ko, sana nakikipagtulungan na ang Binance sa local regulators. Ang na-receive ko naman na update, mukhang nakikipagtulungan naman daw sila. Pero wala pa rin nilalabas si SEC, so we're in the mercy of waiting as well. Meron tayong kasabihan, err on the side of safe. Kung magkakamali ka man, doon ka sa side of safety. Ako po, full disclosure, halos wala na po akong assets in Binance. Siguro take it from what it's worth. Kinalat ko na po lahat yan. Unlike before, significant ang assets natin. I would rather err on the side of safety. Kung may mangyari man, edi it is what it is. Please, hindi ka apektado. Kung may mangyari man, at least I think we're given 90 days to move out all of our assets. I think the most practical and common sense way to do is to err on the side of safety. No, magkamali ka man, pero ka sa side of safety. Ngayon, ang sagot sa tanong mo is, they have not given us any feelers yet. Given that silence sometimes is one of your worst enemies, err on the side of safety. Sa narinig ko naman sa mga galamay natin, sa sources natin, nag-reach out na naman daw. Sana nga maayos na yan, ayusin